Hello everybody, this is Ricardo Mello, and today we're going to explore a widget called QR. QR allows us to insert QR codes into our Wakanda pages. So first, how do I get this widget? Right now my widget, I have the latest build and my widget section is empty. So to get this widget, I will go to GitHub. Wakanda, we have a Wakanda package, which is our one of our Wakanda GitHub places. And there you can have widgets, modules, extension, themes, drivers, tools, etc. At this point right now, let's go to widgets. And here I have a list of widgets available for me to download. Also, I have here the instructions on how to install the widget and also how to submit a widget. Maybe I'm a widget creator. I'm going to create my own widget and I want to distribute that to the community. So you have here all the instructions that what you have to do is very simple. Just send us an email with your GitHub repository, and you're going to follow the instructions, and we will add here your widget. So today, let's go and grab the QR. When I click QR, actually, I'm going to go to the repository of the developer that did this widget. In this case, it's me. But okay, so I'm in my repository on my QR code. I see all the files here. I can have a look of how this widget works. But to be faster, let's download. I could also clone that in my desktop and start to work and use GitHub as a development tool. But at this point, let me just download the zip. Download the zip to my machine. Here we go. My zip is done. I'm going to go to my download section. There we go. I have here a zip with the QR. I'm going to unzip. There we go. Here's here. First thing, when you install from GitHub, you have to change the name of your widget. By default, GitHub adds dash master on it, so I'm gonna take it out. It's gonna be just the name of my widget. That's very important. You have to always delete the masters out of the zip name. So now I'm gonna copy this file. Sorry, where is copy? Copy QR, and I'm gonna drop this into my documents, Wakanda widgets, and I'll paste here. So now I have my QR code installed. As easy as that. So I'm gonna go back to Wakanda. Now you see that my QR code is rightly placed, and I'm gonna go straight to the use of this widget. Okay, so I'm gonna open a page, and if I scroll, I see my QR code there, and I'm gonna drag my QR code somewhere in my page. Okay, and actually I would like to bind a data source to this widget. And to make things more clear, I'm gonna grab a grid, put here on the side, and I have a little data source here, it's called websites. I'm gonna drop here, and I will delete the ID. I don't need to see the ID, but I have name, URL. I'll leave it just like that. And actually, I'm gonna open CNAME URL. I'm gonna grab the URL and bring to my QR code and drop that. So as you can see in my sources here, I have websites URL. Of course, I can just type directly here the same thing as a regular widget in Wakanda. So if I now run this code, we'll see that I have a QR code based on my URL. If I change, it will change the URL. Okay, so it's binding to the data source, and that's all I need to do to have this QR code inside my Wakanda page.